Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. So today I want to teach you how you can create uh, a 2D applique or a 3D applique using a lace trimming. So this was cut out from a bold lace trimming, and with the technique I use, you can actually twist it and use this to design your dresses, your hats, okay, in any way you want. Okay, so I'll be working with this and I've already cut it out. So this is the late trimming. I've cut it out and it comes in both big and small shapes. So I just trimmed it out from a bold lace. Okay, so this is how I will form the applique. All right, I'll be working with this wire, this copper wire, or you can work with there is this flexible, very soft, flexible millinery wire. If you can get that, if you can't, you can work with this copper wire, and this copper wire is up to 0.90. Okay, don't use the 0.5 or the 0.7. Use the one a bit more solid, which is a 0.90. That is what I'm working with. Okay, so next thing is I will just measure out like the wire. Because this has a circular shape, I will need the wire to go like, to be like in form of a circle. Okay, assuming it's just like a leaf shape, I can just use a straight wire. Okay, but since this place has this circular shape, my wire will also take the shape of it. So when I measure it out, when I measure out the wire I want to use, this is what I need. I'm going to form a kind of circle with it. Form a kind of circle with it. Doesn't have to be perfect, just to give the circular shape. Alright? So while I twist this end, I twist it together. So this is what I will have. And this wire is for this shape, this part. This part. You see? This part. And because this wire is flexible, for this part that is narrow, you can simply come up to that point and give it like a narrow point, while this place still remains this bold. Do you understand? So that when you place it here, it will fit in perfectly. Okay? So the next step, unlike the regular one, which you will use the hemming gun to glue it, that's not what I'll be using here. So the next step will be wrapping this wire with a net. This is the soft net. Some people call it tool net. Okay, so wrapping this wire with this net, so you can cut it out, then we'll wrap. All right guys, so this is how I'll wrap my wire. I'll simply apply glue, just a little glue out through the wire, or bit by bit. Then I'll take up my soft net and wrap it all over. This technique is mostly used when you want to work with laces. Okay, maybe to form lace uh, fascinators or the trimming. Okay, so this is what you do. You wrap. While wrapping it, ensure it's smooth, that it's not rough. So far this is how, can you see how neat it looks? This thing. So while wrapping, ensure that the net is also the same color of with the trimming. Do you understand? So assuming I'm working with black here, then my net will also be black. Alright? So that it matches. So I'll continue wrapping till I get to the end of the wire. Let me cut it out. I think this is so big, so long. So this is it after I've covered up the wire. So assuming that in the process of covering up this wire that changes the shape, remember that you can as well just, because it's a flexible wire, you can as well reshape it just to fit. Okay, so this is it. So at this point, once you have wrapped the wire and given it the shape that you want, to follow the shape of your lace trimming, must not be, your lace trimming can be in any shape depending on the one you were able to get. Okay, so once you have wrapped and given it the shape of your lace trimming, the next thing is to also apply glue on one side of this. Apply glue on one side of this. Leave it for some time, for some few seconds, for it to dry a bit. Okay, then we go ahead to stick. We go ahead to stick on our trimming. So once you are done with this, ensure to allow it to dry very well so that it will be properly sticked to the lace trimming. And with this, you have this lace trimming. You will see that it's no longer soft like the one without the wiring. You can work with this standing this way, or you can be able to bend it to give it a shape. Okay, so with this you can use this to decorate your fabrics, your dresses, your hats. Okay, so this is simply how you create this trimming. And for this very part, because you covered your wire neatly, You can decide to leave it this way because the wire isn't showing, okay? Or you can get another trimming or a bias trimming and cover up this part so that it gives a 3D. A 3D applique means that both front and the back is the same, okay? So it's either you cover it with another trimming or you just leave it as a 2D, just or you cover it up at the back depending on what you want. But this is simply how you create this. If you find this tutorial valuable, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, okay? Follow this channel for more tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.